Hello my guys and welcome to another episode. For this episode I have a new installation 2020 4Runner TRD PRO. Let's get to it. You already saw me in the channel. If you're following the channel, we did LEDs from LASFIT on this 4Runner. High beam, low beam, turn signals. The link for that episode is going to be right here if you want to go see it. Now you see something missing on this 4Runner? When we get this 4Runner, unfortunately, came without floor mats. I'm not gonna be able to clean it right now, but I'm gonna leave the plastic right here so when I get the chance to vacuum, because I cleaned this last week, so I don't have the chance to do it now. I'm gonna leave the plastic in there, but we're gonna put floor mat from LASFIT on this episode. And just so you know, on my RAV4 I have LASFIT, on my Altima I have LASFIT. I'm gonna put LASFIT on this one. A friend of mine on his 2022 Toyota Tundra, I put LASFIT. I make him buy LASFIT, and also his Sienna has LASFIT. So whoever come to me and ask me, I always recommend LASFIT. Because on my RAV4 I used to have WeatherTech, and WeatherTech crack and gets old, and they get so stiff. The rubber gets so like hard, and they lose their shape. Easy to clean, no odor, no deformation. They're not gonna crack when it's cold. So this is the best by far. So this is the driver's side, and like I said, I'm gonna clean this 4Runner later, but let's check the fitment now. Just perfect. If you can see, locks in place, forms around all the way. There is not gonna go in. Covers right here between the silk and the carpet. Perfect. I like this. Passenger. Same thing, locks in place. Goes up. Over here covers all the way to the back. Look at this. Right here it has extra, so it goes all the way on top. Dirt is not gonna get in here. The form is perfect, covers the silk, and it looks really good. And look at the rear. Covers all the way to the back, all the way to the front. Cutouts are just perfect. Covers the middle, because the tunnel, that part gets dirty, and plus you can damage the carpet. With this, you're not gonna have damage on that carpet. You can see all the cutting in here is just perfect. Same thing on the passenger rear. Coverage is just amazing, and there you have it. Now, before I finish this episode, let's go and clean one of the LASFIT floor mats so you can see how easy it is to clean. Definitely. It looks awesome. So I'm gonna go and show you what WeatherTech looks like when it's being used, and what LASFIT looks like when it's being used. And there you have it. This is how LASFIT looks. Really easy to clean. You're not gonna see all those deep scratches on this one. The other day I put some dressing, that's why it doesn't look bad, but most of it looks like this. You can see all these deep scratches. This plastic is really hard and thin. This plastic is thicker, softer, and that one is not gonna turn into this. Once this one turns like this, you can put it back, and you can see how thin it is. So there you have it, guys. I'm gonna leave the link in the description for those floor mats for the 4Runner TRD Pro if you wanna get yours. And I hope you support the company that support us. Whenever you need liners, floor mats, go to LASFIT. I hope you like this episode, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.